Take a moment to check out the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cherokee delivers refined comfort, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, ample cargo capacity, and rugged all-terrain capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera. Rugged off-road cargo hauler meets refined connected SUV in the Cherokee. Drive it today.